Hey beautiful Tovians, welcome back. It's your girl Tovia Ogun, back again with another exciting video. Today we've got a beautiful announcement, and that is we will be launching our weight loss line. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I have already announced this on my Instagram, telling you all that we will be launching our weight loss line. So if you know anyone that needs to lose weight, make sure you refer this video to them. Okay, so I'm gonna be describing the two products that will be launching in the coming weeks. So we have the SBT Detox powder. So if you want to lose weight before you start using the weight loss tea, it is good that you actually detox first. So you can start with the detox powder, and then the second one will be launching is the weight loss tea. This is the Alpha and the Almighty and the Oga weight loss tea that will make you lose weight within 7 days. Yes, I remember when I tried this tea myself, I lose weight in 2 days. Like 2 days I lost kilos. I was like, Tovia, don't do that again. You don't want to lose weight. I was like, oh my god, I will never try that again. Anyways, yes, that's just to tell you how fast it can actually work for you. Within 2 days you start seeing results, but we are shifting in for 7 days for you to lose weight. So these are the two products we'll be launching. Make sure you use the discount code on your screen, LOST15, to remove 15% on the date we will be launching. So we haven't really decided on the particular date yet, so make sure you just use the date on the screen for the launch date, or simply use the date on the description box or on the comment section. The launch date will be announced there, but make sure you use the discount code LOST15. It will only be active on our launch day. After that day, it will no longer be active. So grab the opportunity while you still can. So make sure you do wait for us while we launch, because as usual we have limited stock. So make sure you be one of the first people to get this product. So that's all I wanted to say on this video. For more details about this weight loss tea, how it works, you can click on the link on my description box to read more about the weight loss tea, or simply watch my other video where I talked about the weight loss tea. I hope to see you guys on the launch day. Do have a lovely day. Bye.